Hey guys, welcome to the Alpha Crypto channel. Yes, you're highly welcome. If you're watching this channel for the first time, you're welcome to this amazing community of crypto lovers. I'm the Alpha Crypto. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, and join over 8,700, almost 9,000 people in this amazing community. Today we'll be talking about an interesting project, but before then, generally the crypto market is down. If you look at coin market cap, you're going to see that Bitcoin is down like 8%, and in the last 24 hours 4%. And once Bitcoin is down, it generally affects the whole crypto market. Every other coin, majority of them are down. Some are down as high as 22%, 14%, 18%, like that. Apart from the stable coins, the one peer to the dollar theta. So I want to talk about a coin that is currently one of the most visited cryptocurrency right now. One of the most visited cryptocurrency, and the name of this token is called Crotama token. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys know about Saitama. Saitama is one of the successful meme token that is built on the ERC20, the Ethereum blockchain. Now, Crotama, I'm sure the project was inspired from Saitama, and if you look at this token, the last 30 days, this token has done 547% pump. In the last 7 days, in the last 24 hours, it has done 71% pump. The question is, what is this token about? What is the project about? All these are what I'll be answering, and I'll be giving you guys a very in-depth review as much as I can. Right? All you need to do for me, if you find this video interesting so far, make sure you like this video, you leave a positive comment, you share the video. It helps my algorithm. Without further ado, let's go straight to the Crotama review. Now, on CoinMarketCap, this token is built on the Cronos blockchain. Now, a lot of you know the Ethereum blockchain, the ERC20, the Polygon blockchain built on the Matic. You know the Binance blockchain, BEP20. There's also the Cronos blockchain that is owned by the crypto exchange platform, crypto.com, right? So their blockchain is called Cronos. This token is built on the Cronos blockchain. In other words, if you want to buy this token, the process is different from buying a BEP20, right? The token is currently on the watchlist of 825 people, and the official website is crotama.com. I'll open the link of this official website in a tab, and we'll be scanning through this token using the Cronos scan, right? So what is this project about, basically? Now, this project, the Crotama token, is a community-driven token that wants to develop solutions to educate the next generation on cryptocurrency. According to them, that's what they said. Community-driven token that wants to educate the next generation and investors and make cryptocurrency simple and safe for everyone. Now, this particular statement is similar to the goal of Saitama, to tell you how much they are mirroring or copying the Saitama template. Now, they said the only difference is that this token is built on the Cronos chain. So Crotama vision started with the adoption of Cronos chain and focuses on providing the crypto community with content that teaches how to make money work while they invest, thereby opening opportunities for wealth creation. Now, another thing again about this Cronos project is that they are doing almost the same thing many of these meme tokens do. So they are planning to develop their own ecosystem, which includes a marketplace, mystery box NFT-based launchpad, play to earn game, and a multi-channel content platform. Now, it is easy for people to just write all these things out, but the process of achieving them becomes very challenging. I could remember when Saitama said we were going to create the Saitamax. They went on to create the Saitamax, but they had issues on the day of the launch and here and there. So it is not as easy as just writing all these goals. It is one thing for you to write it for the sake of marketing and attracting investors. The other thing for you to have a very good team that can help you achieve these goals. This token has pumped 101% as at today, from what I can see on CoinMarketCap. And let's quickly head over to the official website. I've been trying to open the official website. You can see here the official website is not opening. So informations like the tax fee, the tax, the buy and sell tax, the tokenomics, the roadmap, the white paper, all those informations, we cannot have them. If you have invested in this project and probably you have been able to sell, please make sure you leave a comment if you think it's safe to invest, so that others can learn from you, because I might be limited in giving you guys some information since I don't have access to those information. But from the Cronos scan platform, where we can scan through the contract address, you can see that we have over 1,217 orders, and at the time of recording this video, a lot of people are actually buying this token. A lot of transaction is going on. This happened 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, like that. Every other information about this project, a particular wallet address that can be identified is only 11%. There's an anti-way mechanism. Nobody's holding up to 5% apart from this particular address. That being said, the market cap is, the total supply is 10 billion Crotama, and the fully diluted market cap is 2.9 just $2 million, actually $2 million. So every other information, like the current market cap, I would not be using CoinMarketCap to give those informations, because sometimes CoinMarketCap might not be reliable. But from CoinMarketCap, you can see $3 million, and you can see a warning sign. They tell you the CoinMarketCap team has not verified this project market cap. However, according to the project market cap reported by itself, they said Crotama will be self-reported market cap is 3.1. I don't trust informations like this. So this is where I'm going to end this video. I'll be looking forward to people that have invested in this token, that see this video, to tell me their honest information about this project, so that others can learn from them, since I cannot open the official website. And anytime I'm able to get further information and can open the official website, I'll try to do an updated review on this particular project. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, join other interesting members on this community, so that when I drop interesting content where you can make money, opportunities for you to also benefit from the crypto space, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.